Chlorovac from Capital Controls Company presents your best solution to the feeding and mixing of gas and liquid chemicals with processed water. The superior design and cost effectiveness of the Chlorovac series of submersible gas and liquid chemical induction units makes them the winning choice for water or wastewater plant use in contact basins, headworks, return sludge processes, clarifier inlets, collection boxes, equalization tanks, lagoons, and clear wells. Ranging in size from 1/2 to 15 horsepower and able to feed chemicals such as chlorine, sulfur dioxide, sodium hypochlorite, or sodium bisulfite at rates from 10 to 10,000 pounds per day, and liquid feed rates up to 58 gallons per minute. The Chlorovac is capable of pumping capacities in the range of 225 to 2,661 gallons per minute. The fact that Chlorovac's design allows both feeding and mixing makes it an efficient and effective way to introduce gas or liquid chemicals into your basin or system. But the real miracle of the Chlorovac unit is in what it does for you under the surface of the liquid. The unit utilizes a spinning impeller, completely encased in a rugged, machined, high-density PVC housing, which draws the surrounding water through inlet ports at a high velocity. The liquid is then forced through a venturi, where a strong vacuum is created and where the gas-liquid inlet port is located. The chemical mixes in the water at this point and never makes contact with the metal components of the unit. It is this design which affords much higher vacuum, greater chemical mixing, longevity of unit parts, and eliminates the need for ejectors, diffusers, booster pumps, and mixers. Chlorovac units are especially ideal for all vacuum gas feed systems because potentially dangerous solution lines are eliminated. The Chlorovac design recesses the impeller in a housing and creates a strong, reliable vacuum using classic venturi principles. This gives the unit massive pumping capabilities, which often exceed a mechanical transfer rate of 90%. Vacuum levels of 16 to 29 inches mercury, combined with the turbulence created by the recessed impeller, afford extremely high chemical transfer efficiencies, not produced with the open impeller design. The mixed chemical and water then flows from the impeller, where they are further mixed in the surrounding liquid. Outflow of the induction unit is virtually a supersaturated solution. Notice the uniform mixing pattern. In gas feed applications, this efficient transfer into solutions virtually eliminates off-gassing found with conventional systems. That's the theory, but what about the reality? The proof of design superiority is in the performance. This is the channel leading from a chlorine contact basin. A test bracket was installed, and a group of operators and regulatory officials were invited to witness the demonstration. Red dye, injected into the test unit as it runs, will serve to help demonstrate chemical transfer. The Chlorovac induction unit demonstrates tremendous vacuum power, draws in great amounts of dye, and mixes the dye uniformly in the channel. This is an obvious improvement to traditional methods of chemical transfer in a channel. The channel liquid is completely stained, and a reliable level of chemical transfer is achieved. It is results such as these from an independent test run by a municipal treatment plant in Greenville, North Carolina, that show the superior capabilities of the Chlorovac unit design. If we compare similar flows through a contact basin, here is a side-by-side comparison shown over a 1-month period. Chlorine feed dosages for their conventional ejector system are much higher than the Chlorovac system. And note that their initial fecal count is still much higher even after a much longer contact time, as much as 5 to 6 times as long a contact time as the Chlorovac test. These figures conclusively show that the Chlorovac unit provides better mixing, an initial fast kill in less time and using less chemical. This is how older or smaller plants, straining under increased loads, can increase efficiency while slicing contact times and without constructing new or expanded facilities. In addition, Chlorovac units feature higher efficiency chlorination and dechlorination. reduced supporting equipment and piping because Chlorovac units use the surrounding water to create vacuum and mix the gas or liquid chemical into solution right in the basin. Greater transfer efficiency means less chemical is used. Easy installation and maintenance. Improved safety. Chlorovac is ideal for all vacuum systems by eliminating solution lines. No off-gassing. Chlorine is supermixed in the water, often lowering required contact times. Simultaneous two-chemical feed capability by using both inlets. Excellent dissolved oxygen revitalization, proven by an independent study. Plus, specially designed thermal overload protection allows the units to run dry without damage. Chlorovac's guide rail and 360-degree rotating crane are designed for easy accessibility and routine maintenance. Each system is designed to meet the dimensions and water depth of that particular basin. So you see, Chlorovac units are built to work with you and not against your operating needs. In addition to the chemicals previously mentioned, Chlorovac units handle a variety of other chemicals such as ozone, alum, and chlorine dioxide. Chlorovac also has the ability to retrofit to existing chemical feed systems. Chlorovac units are available only from the manufacturer or its authorized representatives and are being used with great success throughout the United States. Our many clients in plants across the country have discovered substantial savings in utility costs by eliminating pumps, mixers, and aerators. Because of Chlorovac's high efficiency, savings of 30% or more in chemical usage are not uncommon. The unique Chlorovac design has required the creation of entirely new methods for testing induction unit output. To get an accurate measurement, the engineering firm of Radian Corporation was employed to design a test method. A volumetric dye test was developed, which clearly reflects the true output values of the Chlorovac induction unit. As you can see, within the test structure, a conservative measurement of dye penetration in this 20 by 40 foot test basin results in a coverage pattern cone 11 feet in length by 6 feet within a 3-second time frame. The resultant calculation shows the Chlorovac unit came in contact with an estimated 16,905 gallons per minute. Chlorovac induction units have been meticulously designed and thoroughly tested to assure you of the finest performance possible. Each unit is quality checked in our test tank and can be placed in service with the knowledge that it is the best product possible. If you are designing a new installation or retrofitting an old one, the superior design and capability of the Chlorovac induction system will positively impact your operations effectiveness and dynamically affect its efficiency. Remember the name Chlorovac, your sole source for superior performance.